Experiencing unexpected pauses with your AirPods Pro second generation, sometimes called AirPods Pro 3, is a common problem related to the auto ear detection feature. This feature uses optical sensors to detect when the earbuds are in your ears. If they think they aren't, the audio pauses. The good news is that these issues are often fixable. Recent firmware updates, like version 6A300 and later, aim to correct these glitches, but problems can persist due to sensor obstructions, hardware wear, or even just a loose fit. We'll cover the main reasons this happens and what you can do about it. To fix the auto pause, start with the basics. Clean the sensors on your AirPods Pro with a soft, dry cloth. Earwax, dirt, or sweat can interfere with the sensors. Make sure your AirPods Pro fits snugly in your ears. Try different sized ear tips. Next, ensure your AirPods Pro are running the latest firmware by updating your iOS. If problems persist, try resetting your AirPods. If none of these steps work, the issue may be hardware related, and contacting Apple support or considering Apple Care Plus might be necessary.